Imagine you are at a traffic signal. You see three lights, red, yellow, and green. Each color tells what to do: stop, slow down, or go. A switch statement works the same way. It helps your code make decisions based on a specific value, so you don't get stuck in a messy if-else chain. Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to the JavaScript from Zero to Hero course. In our last video, we have covered conditional statements, and today we are stepping it up with switch statements. So let's see how it works in Visual Studio Code. So there I have opened Visual Studio Code. Now in our conditional statements folder, I am going to create a new file named switch statements.js. Let's zoom it a little bit. Okay. Now first, let's start with by understanding the syntax. So here, I am writing the syntax of switch statements. So we start with switch, then it will take an expression. After that, in the curly braces, we can check the cases. So case, then value 1, okay, then some code, then break, then case 2, value 2, with some code block, break. In the last we have default code. So let's break it down step by step. So this code block will check the value we want. We will pass the variable here, and then it will check the values with our cases. And each case checks a specific value. And this break statement stops the switch once a match is found. Lastly, we have default. This is like a fallback plan when no cases matches. It's like having a backup option. Now let's see switch statements in action. So first, let's comment this code. Now here I am defining a new variable with lead keyword. So lead day equals to 3. Now let's write the switch statement. So switch, and it will take the day variable as an expression. Now let's write our case 1. So case 1, then console.log, it's Monday. Then let's add a break statement. It will break the code once the match is found. Let's write the case 2, console.log, it's Tuesday. Let's do the same thing here, adding a break statement. Then third is console.log, it's Wednesday. Case 4, console.log, it's Thursday. Break. Case 5, console.log, it's Friday. And now lastly, let's add a default console.log, it's the weekend. Now let's run the code. So clicking on this play icon. If you don't find this play icon in your Visual Studio Code, then you need to install an extension called Code Runner. So go to extension tab and search for Code Runner. Then install this extension, and after that you will get that play icon. Now here you can see in the terminal we got the value it's Wednesday. So let's understand here what's happening. So first, the switch statements execute the cases from top to bottom, okay? And it will check if the case is 1. If it doesn't match, then it will pass it to case 2. And then this cycle goes on, okay? So in this example, you can see the day is 3 and it's matching with case 3. That's why in the terminal we got it's Wednesday. It will break the code once the match is found. Okay, now let's change it to 5 and let's run the code again. So here you can see we got it's Friday. But what happens if none of the case matches? So let's see, I'm adding here 10, okay, and in our cases you can see 10 is not available. So it will execute the default case. So let's see it running the code, and in the terminal you can see we got it's the weekend. So none of the case matched. That's why the default statement got executed and we got the value it's the weekend. With a switch statement we can easily check which day it is. But when should we use switch statement? If you have a lot of options to check, a switch makes your code cleaner and easier to read compared to the multiple if-else statements. It's like organizing your messy room. So that's it for today's video. Try writing your own examples and see how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. I'll attach a link over there. This video is a part of a JavaScript from Zero to Hero course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.